Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get a free certification on Six Sigma white belt, and you will get a exam cost will be the dollar of 0 rupees, $0 or 0 rupees. You can say that. So you will be the white belt certified Six Sigma certified white belt. So in this video, we'll discover how to earn your white belt certification through the council for the Six Sigma certification, that is the CSSC, the global standard for the Six Sigma certification. You will learn about the white belt level covers, why it matters, and how you can get the certified free of cost. So, what you will find this video. So, what is the white belt certification and who is it so far? Two paths of the certification, that is the standard certification, standard exam, that is a 20 question and 30 minutes, and there is a certification requirement, no prerequisites are there, no proper work, open book exam format. How to certification ever never expire and is fully variable, verifiable online. So key benefits are there: gain a recognized credentials in the process improvement and other thing. So who should watch this video? New professional wanting process improvement credential, team members involved in the improvement projects, and anyone curious about the Six Sigma but not ready to green or black belt just yet. So this is the URL. We'll go through the URL and step by step process. We'll do that. So the Council for the Six Sigma certification, this is official industry standard for the Six Sigma, and we'll go for the there is a Six Sigma white belt certification exam cost will be dollar of 0 rupees. So other details are there. There is a two-part different path are there. So you go through the step-by-step process, and path one, there is standard exam single certification, and here and achieve a score of 56 point or higher out of 80 possible points. Then only you will get a certification. So awarding the certification, there is our certification no expiry date, and this is the registration link. So go through the registration link. So click on the registration link. So there is a Indian rupees, 0 rupees is showing, and just add to cart. So view cart. So this is the detail. So Six Sigma white belt standard exam, single certification. You already you have 0 rupees, no need to apply any coupon. So just proceed to checkout. So fill your detail. Company name, leave it. India, Ranchi, and hometown is state 834001. Give your number, email address, username, and password. So done. Now click on the I have read and accept the term and condition. There is a 0 rupees, so place order. Wait, taking time. Okay. So exam access will be this one, and I got a mail. I'll show you the mail also. So you'll get a multiple mail. So if you not automatically redirected, you can access through this URL. So welcome to Council of the Six Sigma certification. Next, your exam account credential. There is a username and the password is hidden. You can access through this one or same URL you will get. And third one, your order details. So this is the order detail. So Six Sigma Belt certification. There is 0 rupees and email address and your phone number. So this is my order details. Order again and other details are there. So click on certification. So there is a click on the Six Sigma certification. It is showing login. So let me log in. Username and password. So my details is there and other details this is asking again. So let me complete. So update your profile. So done. Now go to the certification and there is a Six Sigma White Belt certification. Click there. And exam details, you can click and see the exam details. So this is the exam details and there's a best of luck. Go back and click on this one. And this time limit is 30 minutes. Total question is 20 and attempt exam now. So click on this. So start exam. So there is a question is started. You have to complete all the things. Then at last I'll show you. After giving all the answers, means you have completed all the answers, then last there will be the final submit. So click on this and you have answered all the save answer and return to attempt or you can submit all the and finish. So submit all and finish. So submit. So finished and submitted on this date and there is a grade is by 80. I got the 68%. So highest grade is 68%. You can reattempt. You can go for the reattempt and congratulations. Overall feedback, you made the necessary minimum requirement to the awarded your Six Sigma White Belt certification. So now go to the Six Sigma. Here from here you can download the certification. So official certification is issued. So click on this. And there is an option to download your certificate. So click on the download certificate. Open this. So this is the certification for the Six Sigma White Belt certified that Chitranjan Mahto and you have completed demonstrate whatever the details are there. The certification number, certification date is November 17, 2025. So like this, you can go through that and step by step process I have shown to you for the getting the certified from the Six Sigma White Belt certification 2025, 100% free and step by step process is there. There is a disclaimer is there. All trademarks, logo and names belongs to their respective owners and other things are there. So follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Share the tutorial with your friends and colleagues. Drop your question on YouTube comments. Subscribe for the free tutorial and learning contents. And don't forget to follow, like, share, and comments. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.